You already have a presentation. Let's make it unforgettable. Start with what you know. Import your PowerPoint and watch it come alive. Journeys takes your flat slides and gives them depth. Real, physical depth. Extruded panels, cinematic camera movements, animations that guide your audience through a story, not just a stack of pages. Everything you had is still there. It just feels like it belongs somewhere now. Now, make it dramatic. Open the Journey Builder and push it further. Add sweeping camera paths. Drop in interactive backgrounds that keep your audience locked in. Generate 3D models from a prompt. Convert your existing product images into 3D assets. And when you need precision, pull out your phone. Control your scene with video game accuracy. Move, zoom, place. Slides in your 3D world, right from your hand. Now, deliver it. Present live using our Sidecar mobile app. Swipe between slides. Spotlight the elements that matter. Your phone becomes your remote, your laser pointer, and your stage. But not every deal closes in the room. Share your journey with a link, then watch what happens. See who visited, how long they stayed, and where they focused, with heat map precision. You're not guessing what resonated anymore. You know. Now, scale it with your favorite AI. Connect journeys to your favorite AI, Claude, ChatGPT, Agentforce, and generate presentations that match your branding automatically. Need to know if your team is actually reviewing what you built? Summary reports, right there. No more wondering if anyone opened the deck. You built the system. Now the system works for you. A PowerPoint is something people sit through. A journey is something people remember. Import, transform, present, measure, automate. This is Journeys by RenderDraw. Start with the deck you already have. We'll take it from there.